Welcome to Sunny View Alumni. I'm Mr. Hidalgo, and today we're going to be planting home molds, which are also known as Quercus ilex. At Sunny View, we want students to learn from experiences. Reflecting on what they are doing will allow students to understand better any learning process. We're using this species of tree because it's a native tree from the Mediterranean area. Now students are going to be explaining the 5 steps to follow.
The first step is to collect the acorns that they dure to October to November. And then when the autumn arrives, it is a good time to collect the acorns.
The second step is to do the water test. We just put the acorns in a bowl of water. We do this to remove any acorn that goes to the top. We're going to use the ones that go to the bottom because these are going to be the ones with no holes and very healthy.
We're going to plant the acorns in seed trays. To get the seed trays ready to plant them, we're going to fill the holes with 2/3 of soil, leaving 1/3 empty to cover the acorn.
Once we have our seed trays ready and our selected healthy acorns, we're going to place the acorn on its side. We have found out that doing it this way, there's more success for germination.
The last step is to cover the acorns with soil and water them. It will take them 2 to 3 weeks to sprout.